Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2020 BMW M2 Competition fitted with the 6-speed manual. This example only has 7,700 miles on it, and it is a absolutely fantastic car. So these tires, Michelin Pilot Super Sports. It's like 34 degrees out. Pavement's dry, but it was snowing a little earlier, so definitely gonna be an issue of getting grip in lower gears, but we'll make it work. Absolutely awesome seats. I love these seats. Oh, look at that. Mileage is 4.7s. If I'm not mistaken, I did try to do a little bit of research on this thing. It's powered by the S55 from the F80 M3. Carbon fiber trim that is exposed, no clear coat on that. But all your controls for sport mode, stuff like that, are here. You push the gauge for Sport Plus, and then steering goes into Sport Plus by pushing that. Obviously, I believe that's for your transmission. There is no sport setting for manual, it's manual. Harman Kardon sound, does have a sunroof, so a very, very nice build on this Long Beach blue. It's a very nice car. Clutch, I figured out, you almost have to treat it as if it was a Carrera GT. What do I mean? Don't give it any gas, just lift the clutch. It'll rev itself up for you. So I have spent time in an F80 generation M4 manual. This feels obviously very, very similar to that car, but it's a lot sharper. Do of course have auto rev match, but the one biggest, I would say, piece of the M2 is the size. This is the size of the original E30 M3. So in terms of sizing, this thing is what sports cars used to be. So having, I believe it's right around mid 4s for horsepower in something this small, this thing flies. The speeds don't feel real. That's the one thing I've noticed with all BMWs and German cars in general. The speeds don't feel like they're really that fast. Oh. This is spectacular. It's such a nimble car. I actually appraised this car. Adam, this came in as a trade where I work. We weren't sure, you know, we don't have the customers that buy these type of cars. So I said, hey Adam, you want to buy it off me? And so he did. So I have driven this car before, and it was rainy, and I was like, I got a taste of the car, but I didn't really get to enjoy it. Now I'm starting to really see the true car, and man, I'm a fan. Oh my goodness. I love the kind of like the flop that as you lift off the car makes. Let's see, come on, how do you power out of corners? Really well. This thing will power right out of a corner. That is impressive. I am blown away by this car. I've noticed this with a lot of German cars. You really, what starts to really make you love them is realizing that it's doing exactly what you want. All your inputs, the shifter, everything is exactly how you would want it. And that makes a truly good sports car. And then when it comes time to just kind of cruise, it'll do it. And that's why the M2 competition is one of my favorite sports cars under $60,000. In the used market, under $60,000. This thing is impressively good. And I see why this was regarded as one of the best driver's cars. And this is probably my favorite driver's car BMW that I've driven. This thing is just good. Every single thing you do, it just does it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.